Guys, don't you just love it when a new piece of tech hits the market? And this piece of tech that I'm going to talk to you about today is a game changer. Why? Find out in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with SYNCWIRE Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, today I am super excited to show you the latest in charging tech from SYNCWIRE. Now, SYNCWIRE make a bunch of different charging solutions, and I've reviewed quite a few of them, for which I shall leave a link right here so you can check those out. But today guys, this latest piece of tech is very cool. This is an all-in-one magnetic and modular charging station. A what? Well, let me tell you. Magta lets you simultaneously charge all of your devices. Yes, all of your devices. It has switchable magnetic modules that offer both wired and wired charging solutions. And rather than me waxing lyrical about how cool this device actually is, let's take a look at it. So open up the box and you can see the main unit, which houses some PD fast charge USB sockets along with some fast charge USB-A sockets and a display. Turn it over and you have the magnetic base, which is also a wireless charger. Now, the beauty of this modular design comes from the accessories. Here we can see the 3-in-1 module with the Apple Watch adapter. Turn around the main unit and you've also got an AC plug. Yes, an AC plug, so you can power all of your devices, like I said. Now, this 3-in-1 adapter also gives you the ability to tilt it, so that's pretty nice. Next up, we have a power bank. This can charge right off the main unit, and because it just sits on top magnetically and transfers power through it to your device, it's always going to be charged and ready for when you need it. Now, this power bank also has a power charge display, so you know exactly how much charge you have at any time. And it's both wired and wireless, so if you don't have wireless charging for the power bank, you can just plug in your cable and you're good to go. And check out the magnet. It's pretty strong, so it's not going to become detached from your phone. Now, looking at that 3-in-1 adapter again, connecting it to the main unit is easy. Just snap it on and you're good to go. From there, the Apple Watch connector just plugs into the side, and if you've got AirPods, you can just pop them onto the lower section and your phone onto the top. So, like I said, nicely tilted towards you. This is definitely compact and neat, and you get your power consumption on the display. Now, for something pretty cool, yes, a light. This is a rechargeable light that you can use as a bed light or just some sort of mood light, and you can also change the color. And like the power pack, because it's charged from the main unit, it's always ready to go. Now guys, for some features, we've got an 83 watt main unit utilizing GaN technology. What the hell is GaN technology? Well, GaN stands for gallium nitride, and this is a modern alternative to the usual silicon that's used in chargers, which means your charger can be smaller, deliver a lot more power, and be more efficient. Then we've got two PD USB sockets. Yes, PD, or power delivery, is a fast charging technology that's supported by pretty much most modern smartphone manufacturers. Also, we have two fast USB-A sockets and 15 glorious watts of wireless charging. So guys, that is just about it for this one. This is definitely the coolest charging station I've ever seen. This SYNCWIRE Magta is featured on Kickstarter, so guys, check it out. The link is in the description. And if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them in the comments section. And thanks to you guys for watching, and also a big thank you to SYNCWIRE for asking me to review this Magta all-in-one modular and, quite frankly, very impressive charging solution. And guys, If you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up, it does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and smash that bell icon to be notified of new videos. Guys, thanks for watching. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.